Anandra.
Hi, I'm Sri Shagwendra Lingar.
Hi, I'm Yusha Aguilar.
Hi, I am Shivendra Saravanan.
Hi, I am Sanika Sarune. Hi, I am Diya Anandra.
We
are from Sjkt Castlefield. Oh my god, my classroom so noisy. Yeah, I really feel the noise is very loud. We must find solution for this. Yes.
I think we should create a solution. Let's go ask them. Hey, Havina, Sri, Yusha, do you all know any solution to control noise?
Oh, noise control solution. Oh, of course can.
We can use microbit to create a cool trick and it will help to give alert whenever there is noise.
Wow, can I explain more?
Yeah, let us explain this in detail. Our innovation title, Noise Alert System. We use microbit to develop this. Purpose of the project is to help to detect loud sounds around us. When it hears a sound louder than a set level, it will play an alarm.
Material requests are microbit speaker laptop.
We use the microphone in the microbit to listen to the sound level. If the sound is too loud, it will trigger an alarm sound using the speaker.
We use the microbit board, which has a built-in microphone and speaker. We also use coding in MakeCode to tell the microbit what to do when sound is detected.
Now, let's test it.
Good morning.
See, the microbit plays an alarm. When the noise stops, it stops.
This project is useful for detecting loud noises in places like classrooms, libraries, or even at home. It's fun and easy to make with microbit.
Oh, this is really a good solution. We should develop more and use in classroom to educate students.
Yes, great.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
So our project used a simple microwave device to detect sound and respond with alert.
We hope our project inspires others to explore and create more with microbit.
This will help us to think of problem solving and save Earth from sound pollution.
Thank you for watching our project.